Alright guys, highlands2hammocks here, I'm Campbell.
I'm Gemma.
And we are in Florence. We're getting a day trip through to Pisa and check out all the sights through there. So we made it to Pisa. It's now 11 o'clock and I've still not had a coffee, so that's the first order of business before we can see any towers. Alright, so Tower of Pisa is done. One thing we've not done on our trip to Italy yet is have an Aperol Spritz, so we're off to find one of them and see what all the fuss is about.
So we've just had some Aperol Spritz and it was amazing, 10 out of 10 from me. And now we're going to go and find some gelato. Apparently there's a good one along the river, so we're on a hunt.
Exactly, no day's complete without some gelato. So we found one right across the bridge and right on the river as well. We're going to enjoy these, taking the view. €1.30 exactly, taking the view and then catch the train back to Florence so we can get some dinner. We're back in Florence. Pisa was awesome. Managed to see the tower. And yeah, if you want to see any more of our vlogs, we'll be posting one in Florence soon. Make sure you check out, make sure you like and subscribe guys, and we'll see you next week.